Hello, my name is Sebastián Gordillo. Um, the 10 age, materia English, past simple, past continuous. What's it past simple? The situations or actions that occurred in the past and although they may be before the recent part of distant past. Past simple examples. I was a college student at elementary school. Did you try last week? I didn't go to the party and the bell. They went to school the bus yesterday. Our structure. Subject, verb, ed, complement. Subject, didn't note, verb, plus form, complement. Didn't, subject, verb, form base y complement. Past continuous. Example. The boys were winning the game on the game. A week ago we were studying and practice for the exam. We were not sleepy which all that night were they watching movie at mini. What is past simple? The past of constant act that already happened but is still being done. Subject, auxiliary verb, to be, not, main verb in ground, ing, complement. Anecdote. Before the quarantine, we went to mass very often. I was very with educate and feel very well. Hi, I am Sebastián Gordillo. I am too trained on soccer. I would really like swimming. I am good at it.